What is CROWD1? CROWD1 is a global online networking and marketing company affiliated with the online gambling and gaming industry. Ito po yung companies na Afilgo at Mixter. CROWD1 was founded in Sweden, nag-pre-launch noong 25th of January 2019, and nag-launch noong 1st of August 2019. Marami pong offices worldwide ang CROWD1 at may 6.2 million members as of 22nd of June 2020. Ano po ang binibenta ni CROWD1? CROWD1 sells educational packages that includes a generous voucher with videos and other forms of education services para po sa members' own use or to resell. CROWD1's affiliates are supplied with a library of products, apps, websites, and other services from their partners through the usage of crowd marketing. Now let's discuss the membership. There are different types of membership sa CROWD1. The first is yung white package, which costs 99 euros or 6,000 pesos. May kasama po itong bronze education package from Migrate Hub at may kasamang 100 euros worth of CROWD1 rewards. Ang equivalent points ng white package is 90 euros. Next is yung black package worth 299 euros or 18,000 pesos. May kasamang silver education package and 300 euros worth of CROWD1 rewards. The equivalent points para sa black ay 270 points. Next is gold worth 799 euros or 48,000 pesos with gold education package at 1,000 euros worth of CROWD1 rewards, which is 25% more in value compared to the package cost. Ang equivalent points naman ng gold ay 720 points. Next is titanium worth 2,499 euros or 150,000 pesos. May kasamang platinum education package at 3,500 worth of CROWD1 rewards, which is 40% more in value than the package cost. Ang equivalent points ng titanium ay 2,250 points. Currently, merong campaign ng CROWD1 na kapag bumili po kayo ng white package, kayo po ay automatic na ma-upgrade to black package. Pag bumili naman po kayo ng black, auto-upgrade to gold, and pag gold, auto-upgrade to titanium. And from titanium, auto-upgrade to titanium pro. Now, this campaign is only until 3rd of July 2020. So, paano naman po tayo kikita sa CROWD1? There are 5 different ways. First is yung fear of loss bonus, then binary bonus, matching bonus, streamline bonus, and long-term residual income. And for your reference, one CROWD1 reward is equivalent to 2 euros. Now let's discuss fear of loss bonus. Ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is makapag-invite po kayo ng 4 new direct members within 14 days from your date of joining. If for example, nakapag-invite po kayo ng 4 members na bumili ng white package, kayo po ay magkakaroon ng bonus worth 125 euros. Kapag yung na-invite nyo naman po na 4 ay bumili ng black package, kayo po ay magkakaroon ng 375 euros. For gold package, it will be 1,000 euros. For titanium, 3,000 euros. Ngayon, in the event na multiple packages or combination packages po yung binili ng inyong mga na-invite, yung lower bonus po ang babayaran sa inyo. And in this case, gawa ng meron po tayong campaign ng auto-upgrade, yung binayaran lang po na amount ang mai-entitle sa inyo na fear of loss bonus. For example, yung mga bumili ng white, since sila po ay ma-auto-upgrade to black, it doesn't mean na yung makukuha ninyong bonus is yung 375, which is for the black members. Ang makukuha nyo po is kung ano yung binayaran, which is in this case, ang binayaran nila is yung white package. So, ang makukuha nyong bonus is 125 euros. Yung transaction will be paid out after 14 days from your date of joining. For example, 125, 80% po nun, which is 100 euros, will automatically reflect in your account balance. And yung 20%, which is 25 euros, ay automatic na mako-convert to CROWD1 rewards. So, since 1 CROWD1 reward is equivalent to 2 euros, ito po ay magiging 12.5 CROWD1 rewards. Next is binary bonus. Makaka-earn po kayo ng 10% of the points kapag may new member na nag-join or an existing member upgrades directly or indirectly, provided po na ma-activate ninyo yung inyong binary bonus. The transaction is paid out immediately. Again, 80% sa account balance at 20% will be automatically converted to CROWD1 rewards. Sa isang binary system, meron po tayong tinatawag na left and right. Para ma-activate yung binary bonus ninyo, kailangan pong makapag-sponsor kayo direct ng isang member sa left at isang member sa right. So for example, may na-invite po kayo at bumili po siya ng white package. So that's equivalent to 90 points. And then, naglagay po kayo sa right nang na-invite nyo ulit na member na bumili din ng white package, another 90 points. This is an example of 1:1 ratio. Ngayon, ang kagandahan po sa CROWD1 is pwede po tayong umabot up to 1:3 ratio, and I'll show you the examples later on. So in this case, ito-total po siya ng system at magkakaroon po kayo ng 180 points. Makaka-earn po kayo ng 10% of this, which is 18 euros. And then, again, 80% of the 18 euros, which is 14.4 euros, ay magre-reflect automatically sa inyong account balance once the transaction takes place. Yung 20%, which is 3.6 euros, ay mako-convert automatically to 1.8 CROWD1 rewards. And since na-earn nyo na po yung 180 points na ito, i-reset na po ng system yung inyong left and right at mawawala na po yung inyong 90 points for both sides. Another example is if meron kayong dalawang white members sa inyong right, that's a total of 180 points, and then merong nag-join sa inyong left na black member that's worth 270 points. Ito po ay example ng 1:2 ratio. In this case, ito-total po siya ng system and you will get 450 points or 45 euros. 80% sa account balance and then 20% sa inyong CROWD1 rewards. And i-reset po siya ulit ng system to 0. So for the third example, let's say meron po kayong 2,250 points sa inyong right, and then sa inyong left may nag-join na gold member, which is worth 720 points. Ito po ay example ng 1:3 ratio. I-maximize po ito ng system so that you can earn 3 times as much the amount of 720 points on your right, since mas marami po yung points on your right. In this case, 2,160 points po yung ibabawas ng system sa inyong right. And i-add yung 2,160 points sa 720, which will give you 2,880 points or 288 euros. 80% of which i-reflect po automatic agad sa inyong account balance, and then yung 20% ay magko-convert to CROWD1 rewards. So, i-reset po ng system si 720 to 0, and then yung remaining for the right, maiiwan po yung 90 points for your further transactions. Next is yung matching bonus. So sa matching bonus, kayo po ay mababayaran ng percentage based on your personally sponsored team's binary bonus. So nakalink po ito dun sa pinag-usapan natin kaninang binary bonus. At magdidepend po yun sa inyong level. Magdidepend sa inyong member package at kung ilan po yung na-sponsor ninyo para maset po yung level ng inyong matching bonus. For example, kayo po ay pumili ng white package, kailangan makapag-sponsor kayo ng at least 4 direct members para kayo po ay mag-qualify to matching level 1. Makaka-earn po kayo ng 10% sa binary bonus ng na-sponsoran ninyong 4 na members. Pag nag-upgrade naman po kayo to black, kailangan makapag-sponsor kayo ng at least 8, and then kayo po ay magfo-fall na sa matching level 2. Makaka-earn po kayo ng 10% plus 10%, which means 10% ng level 1 at 10% ng level 2. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Let me show you an example. Let's say na-invite ninyo si A and B directly. Ito po ay level 1 dahil kayo po ang direct na nag-sponsor sa kanila. Now, let's say si B, na-invite niya direct si C at saka D. So, mag-earn po siya doon ng binary bonus. Magkakaroon po kayo ng 10% doon sa na-earn niyang binary bonus. Ito namang si C and D will be considered level 2 or second degree. Ibig sabihin na-invite ng na-invite ninyo. At kapag kayo po ay nasa matching level 2, ibig sabihin po kapag kumita si D or si C mula sa kanilang binary bonus, magkakaroon din po kayo ng 10% from their binary bonus. Next is yung streamline bonus, wherein makaka-earn po kayo ng CROWD1 rewards just by joining. Yung first level is free without qualifications, which means pag ayaw po ninyong mag-invite, gusto nyo maging passive member lang, kahit wala po kayong ma-sponsoran, meron po kayong ma-earn na minimum of 2.5 euros worth of CROWD1 rewards per week, considering na meron pong mag-join na 250 members after you worldwide. As you can see, habang tataas po yung inyong na-invite na members, tataas din po yung inyong level, tataasin po yung members na required to join after you worldwide, and then you can earn as much as 2,500 euros per week worth of CROWD1 rewards pag kayo po ay umabot na sa streamline bonus level 20. So baka sabihin po ninyo, napaka-imposible naman ng mga numbers na ito na mag-join worldwide after you para kumita ka ng specific na worth of CROWD1 rewards per week. Let me show you my streamline bonus page. Nag-join ako nung June 13, 2020, and nasa level 4 na po ako. And as of 18th of June 2020, meron na pong 146,737 members who joined after me. So ako ay nasa 10 euros per week na. Dito po magfo-fall ang aking earnings per week. Dahil ako ay na-auto-upgrade to Black membership at meron na akong na-sponsoran na 3 direct members, meron na akong 10 euros worth of CROWD1 rewards per week. And currently, sa paggawa ko ng presentation na ito, ang nag-join after me is nasa more than 100,000 members na. And as you can see earlier, it was 147,000 plus members. Ito po yung aking na-claim na streamline bonus. Again, I joined on the 13th of June, and nung 17th of June, which is a Wednesday, nakaklaim na po ako ng 5 CROWD1 rewards. Again, 1 CROWD1 reward is equivalent to 2 euros. So, ang value po nitong 5 CROWD1 rewards is 10 euros, and that is per week. Next is the long-term residual income. This is passive income from all countries in the world where CROWD1 generates sales. Ito po ay magbe-base sa kung anong level or title na po kayo meron in the network, and I'll show you the network levels later on. Yung new levels ay marireach ninyo by building your binary balance and earning money in CROWD1. A new level will give you access to a higher long-term residual income. Ito po yung tinatawag nating levels and titles. Although nakalagay dito ay 1 to 18, later on, ipapakita ko po sa inyo that they've already added more titles and levels. So yung CROWD1 turnover ay dinidistribute equally across all levels. If for example, naka-reach po kayo ng level 1, you will have profit parts in the level 1 pool. Kapag kayo naman po ay naka-reach ng level 6, that's 3-star coordinator, you will have profit parts in all pools from level 1 to level 6, hindi lang po level 6. Now, ano po yung ibig sabihin nito? Just for example, ang passive income ni CROWD1 is, let's say, 18,000. So that means yung 18,000, i-distribute siya equally across all levels. Which means magkakaroon ng 1,000 euros per level from level 1 to level 18. Ngayon, since mas marami yung members na nasa lower levels, ibig sabihin paghahatian po ng lahat yon. So, wag po kayong magtataka kung mas maliit yung makukuha ninyong long-term residual income kapag kayo po ay nasa lower levels. Example lang po yung 18,000 euros, but I hope naiintindihan po ninyo yung ibig kong sabihin. Kung hindi pa naman po kayo naka-reach ng any level, let's say level 0 pa po, magkakaroon pa rin po kayo ng part sa CROWD1 Rewards profit pool, although napakaliit lang po ng value. Ito po yung network levels. Magbe-base po ang inyong level or title sa na-earn ninyong binary points in total. At habang mag-earn po kayo, tataas po ng tataas ang inyong level hanggang sa level 21, which is ambassador title. Again, the higher the level, the higher the long-term residual income. Kasi mas konti po yung maghahati-hati sa income pool level na yon. Let's review the payouts. Yung fear of loss bonus, again, makukuha nyo siya after 14 days from when you joined, provided na nakapag-invite kayo ng 4 direct members at sila po ay activated. Hindi lang po yung nag-sign up lang. Kailangan sila po ay activated at nakapagbayad. Binary bonus, makukuha nyo po immediately after the transaction has taken place. Matching bonus, immediately din po. For the first 3 bonuses, 80% po mapupunta sa account balance and 20% will be automatically converted to CROWD1 rewards. For the streamlined bonus, kailangan nyo pong mag-log in on a weekly basis, which is sa atin po every Wednesday, para i-click yung claim button. Kailangan maklik nyo po yung claim button, otherwise, hindi nyo po makukuha yung CROWD1 rewards worth ng streamlined bonus ninyo. As for the residual income, dati po ito ay quarterly, but ngayon gagawin na po nila itong monthly, which is every 15th of the month. With CROWD1, hindi po mawawala ang inyong membership level, inyong earned streamline bonus level, and earned long-term residual level. Si streamline bonus level po kasi, nakabase po yun sa number ng taong na-sponsoran ninyo, sa inyong package level or membership level, at the same time, sa mga nag-join na members after you. As for your long-term residual income level, hindi rin po mawawala yun kasi nakabase po yun sa inyong total binary points balance. Ang kagandahan lang din po with CROWD1, wala pong weekly or monthly qualifications at wala pong monthly or annual fees. Once lang po kayo magbabayad at kapag naisipan nyo pong mag-upgrade, it's up to you, hindi po siya mandatory or whatsoever. And you will keep earning as long as pagtrabahuan po natin. Sana may natutunan po kayo sa aking presentation at